3, 2, 1. Highly available is another key term in cloud computing, and what it means is the amount of time that your system is available. In a service contract for a SaaS system, a lot of times you'll hear this highly available terminology and also uptime or service level agreement. And in particular, the 9 nines, what that means would be that there's literally 99.999 all the way to 9 nines availability, and that equates to 31 milliseconds of downtime. Currently, Amazon S3, as an example, has, I believe, 11 nines availability, and what that means is that there's, essentially, a millisecond or so of downtime per year. How do they do this? Well, what they do is they have multiple copies. So you've got a copy here, you've got a copy here, you've got a copy here, and you load balance things across all of those different regions. So the same data lives many different times in many different regions, globally distributed, and that's how you can have a highly available architecture. Now, a lot of times this would be almost impossible for a regular company to build on their own, and that's why cloud computing is a great way to accomplish this, because you can use the highly available infrastructure like, for example, S3 to distribute object storage across the globe, and you didn't have to build that. You just pay for the services that you use at that time. So highly available is an important term to be aware of, and also some of the decimals, right? 9 nines, 11 nines, and what those equate to is the uptime that your service is going to be available to your customer.